The Twin Valley Middle School What's So Cool About Manufacturing team went to the SFS InTech office in Reading to witness how manufacturing affects our everyday lives by observing their machinery and talking to their staff members about what their jobs are and how they are performed. And I have a few questions about your department. Okay, what components do you use in terms of machinery?
We use milling machines, lathes, grinders to make the parts that we need.
What professions work in your department?
Machinists and tool and die makers.
Okay, and that includes engineering?
That includes engineering, yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Karen, she's the process control manager. Hi. So I have been with the company 18 and a half years, and process control manager is someone who works with our processes out in the plant.
So how has manufacturing processes changed with technology in the past?
Years ago when I first started the vac machine, there used to be a room full of 18 machines that were taken from the World War II era and used to make employees. And there were a bunch of women sitting in the room, and they would sit there and they would stand the screw up straight. And that's what they did all day. Okay? And now we have fewer people working the machines. But there are also computers on the machines. Those machines didn't have computers on them. These are highly sophisticated.
I got SFS as a machine operator.
How has technology changed your job over the last 10 years or so?
Well, actually helped a lot. It changed. Most of the machine that we did have before didn't have no type of technology. So you have to take more time looking for a problem.
So
now it doesn't.
More responsible for themselves?
They are.
What qualifications are needed to operate the machine?
We actually take around 1, 2, 3 months. All depends how fast they learn. Work with somebody else, and that person try to teach you how to process shields.